Working on illustration and artwork can be a character-building experience whether done professionally or as a hobby. And with tablets dedicated to drawing, it feels even better. These tablets have been specifically made to make your illustration work convenient and enjoyable for producing highly detailed works. In today's video, we're going to showcase 5 of the best tablets for drawing that you will find awesome.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting at number 5, we have the PTH660 Intuos Pro from Wacom. A beginner-friendly tablet with fair drawing space and remarkable pressure sensitivity. This tablet is medium in size and has an active drawing area of 8.7 by 5.8 inches with a touch surface to zoom, scroll, and navigate your projects with greater ease. It also happens to include 8 express keys that can be customized to make your drawing efforts more convenient. With a pressure sensitivity of 8192 of the Pro Pen 2, drawing using this tablet feels natural and highly responsive. The Pro Pen 2 requires no battery whatsoever and supports natural tilt to further enhance your drawing experience. It supports both Bluetooth and USB connectivity and lets you work on multiple platforms including Mac and PC. If you are interested in illustration and artwork, the Wacom PTH660 Intuos Pro should be your pick as it is the perfect drawing tablet for beginners. Next up at number 4, we have the Canvas 16 from Huion. A worthy upgrade of the previous version with better color support, improved screen, and minimal parallax. It features a full laminated anti-glare screen that makes drawing under brighter light conditions easier, while the 15.6-inch drawing area offers ample screen space to work with. Emphasizing more on the display, it has 120% sRGB color gamut and a 178-degree wide viewing angle and FHD resolution that altogether will enable you to produce highly detailed artworks. With a total of 10 programmable press keys located on the left, you can perform various actions and work with tools with just the help of your fingertips. Similar to the PTH660 Intuos Pro, this one also comes with a battery-free stylus pen with pressure sensitivity of 8192 that feels smooth to draw with. As for the connectivity, you get a 3-in-1 USB-C port and also happens to have HDMI mode and DP mode to seamlessly connect it to your laptop, monitor, or smartphone. If display quality is what you are prioritizing over everything else, then we highly recommend the Huion Canvas 16 as your go-to drawing tablet. At number 3, we have Gaomon PD1561, a simple yet highly practical drawing tablet with expansive drawing area, good color accuracy, and excellent stylus pen. As the screen is the most important aspect of a drawing tablet, this one doesn't disappoint at all. With a native resolution of 1920 by 1080p, 72% NTSC color space, and an IPS panel with 178-degree viewing angle, drawing on this 15-inch tablet simply feels amazing. The button layout is located on the left-hand side with a total of 10 shortcut keys that are designed in such a way so that you can use them simultaneously while drawing with the stylus pen. Talking about stylus pen, The included Gaomon PD1561 has an 8192 pressure sensitivity with tilt support and comfortable grip to draw with. It also comes with a standard tablet stand with straightforward adjustability and a locking mechanism that effectively deals with an applied pressure of your hand. Filled with lots of perky features and solid build quality, Gaomon PD1561 outshines plenty of similar drawing tablets in this category that makes it worth the purchase. Coming up at number 2, we have the Innovator 16 from XP Pen, a super slim drawing pad with visually stunning design and lots of useful values to offer. With a thickness profile of only 9mm, this tablet is indeed one of the slimmest drawing tablets available out there. On top of that, the 15.6-inch FHD display has a 92% Adobe RGB color gamut that showcases on-screen content with greater clarity, while the full lamination ensures minimal parallax for a pen-on-paper-like feel. The included stylus pen has a pressure sensitivity of 8192, can be tilted at up to 60 degrees, includes a dedicated eraser button, and doesn't need to be charged for your added convenience. With a total of 8 customizable keys, 1 mechanical wheel, and 1 virtual wheel, working on details of your illustrations and artworks can be done with greater precision. With an admirable design and lots of perky features on board, the XP Pen Innovator 16 is an exceptional drawing tablet offering you greater value for the price you pay. Finally, at number 1, we have the Cintiq 22 from Wacom, a humongous drawing tablet with an incredibly precise stylus pen and greater platform compatibility. Equipped with a 21.5-inch FHD display, this professional-grade tablet is scratch-resistant and preserves an anti-glare panel for greater visibility. With that being said, it incorporates a 72% NTSC color gamut that does an amazing job of showcasing accurate color so that you can precisely and accurately focus on the detail level of your work. It comes with a Wacom Pro Pen 2 that has a pen pressure level of 8192 and 60 degree of tilt recognition for a more natural drawing experience with outstanding accuracy. The included adjustable stand is built ergonomically to suit your adjusting needs and make long-hour drawing sessions a lot more comfortable and focused. To sum things up, Wacom Cintiq 22 is a high-end drawing tablet that won't hurt your pocket and might just be the best option available to you. So that was all about the top 5 best tablets for drawing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.